Having better conversations in the workspace can lead to better teamwork, productivity, and a more positive work environment. Here are some tips for improving workplace conversations. Be present. When you are in a conversation with a colleague, give them your full attention. Avoid checking your phone or computer while they are talking. Listen actively. Listen to what your colleague is saying and show that you're engaged by nodding or making eye contact. Ask follow-up questions to clarify what they mean or to show that you're interested in their ideas. Be respectful. Treat your colleagues with respect, even if you disagree with them. Avoid interrupting them, and don't dismiss their ideas or opinions. Stay focused. Keep the conversation focused on the topic at hand. Avoid getting sidetracked by unrelated issues. Speak clearly and concisely, and avoid using jargon or technical terms that your colleagues may not understand. Be open-minded, be open to new ideas and perspectives, and avoid being defensive or dismissive. Try to see things from your colleague's point of view. Give feedback, provide constructive feedback to your colleagues, and be receptive to feedback from them as well. Avoid gossiping. Avoid engaging in gossip or negative talk about other colleagues or the company. It can create a toxic work environment and damage relationships. By implementing these tips, you can have more productive and positive conversations in the workplace.